Hello, my name is Julia, and this is Space Daily News Channel. After splashing down safely in their Dragon spacecraft off the coast of Florida on Saturday, March 11, NASA's SpaceX Crew-5 completed the agency's fifth commercial crew rotation mission to the International Space Station. NASA's astronauts Nicole, Mann and Cassada, along with Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency astronaut Koichi Wakata and Roscosmos cosmonaut Anna Kikina, returned to Earth after spent 157 days aboard the space station and completed 2,512 orbits around Earth. The Crew-5 mission was the first spaceflight for Mann, Cassada and Kikina. Wakata has logged 505 days in space over his 5 flights. Throughout their mission, the Crew-5 team contributed to a host of science and maintenance activities and technology demonstrations. Cassada and Rubio conducted 3 spacewalks preparing the station for installing 2 new solar arrays iROSA. Mann and Wakata teamed up for 2 spacewalks, also outfitting the orbiting laboratory for solar array installation. During their time on station, the crew members also tested hydroponic techniques to grow plants without using soil, released Uganda and Zimbabwe's first satellites, and studied how liquids move in simulated lunar gravity to generate data to improve moon rover designs. Also, the astronauts grew dwarf tomatoes in efforts to address the needs for continuous fresh food production capability in space, and reinstalled the station's bioprinting facility as a stepping stone in long-term plans to manufacture human organs in space. The Crew-5 flights is part of NASA's Commercial Crew program, and its return to Earth follows on the heels of NASA's SpaceX Crew-6 launch, which docked to the station on March 3rd, beginning another science expedition. At least 4 more crews are scheduled to be sent to the ISS this year. In May, the Crew Dragon is expected to dock on the Axiom Space 2 mission, a manned tourist mission that is expected to last 16 days. Also in April or May, the Boeing Starliner manned spacecraft is expected to launch with 2 astronauts, who will spend 8 days at the station. And in August, the mission SpaceX Crew-7 with an international crew represented by 4 space agencies, American, European, Russian and Japanese, will go to the ISS. And the Soyuz MS-24 spacecraft with 2 Roscosmos cosmonauts and 1 American astronaut on board should arrive at the station this fall. Space Daily News, like, share and subscribe.